big day. Pilot Viper Jet. We're going to do an unboxing video. Me and the driver just undid this to look at it because there were fork marks. If we turn this around, and I'm going to partially record this just in case the plane is destroyed so they don't try to. But if you see right here, a forklift went right through the bottom of the box. So whatever idiot was doing this, there's a fork mark right here, and it went right through. It did not appear there was any damage. Let's hope. All right, this is the Pilot RC Viper Jet. It's sort of unboxed already, like I said, and the only reason we did that was because we wanted to check and make sure everything was looking okay. So again, we're going to do this unboxing so that we can make sure that everything is okay in here. It was packaged okay, but the idiots that were, the people that were undoing this did not care at all. It put a forklift through. But here, okay, so here is the fuselage. Throw that there for now. Okay. Actually, you might have to get a knife to take some of this off. But okay. There's the fuselage. So actually, you know what? I'm going to get a knife here.
I was gonna.
Okay. Alright. So like I said, we're checking partially. This is an unboxing video, but partially this is to check this airplane to make sure it's not damaged. Okay. Do this. Oh man. Wow. Okay, so it looks really beautiful. I mean, this thing is gorgeous. So we're going to have to look at that. The tube seems really loose. Now, I ordered this thing with the extra, I paid extra, and everything is going to be, everything is installed. Oh my goodness, that's half of the fuselage. Let's see here. Okay, that's just the tube. A little loose, so I don't know if that's supposed to be that way, but we'll have to see. It's definitely tight in the front here. Let's see here. It is beautiful. So actually, I want to see. I'm going to try and see if there's anything. I'm just checking everything now. Make sure that we're all good. I wish they wouldn't have used this kind of tape on this, although it's pretty good. Okay, let's see. Okay, there's your thrust tube. So the thrust tube seems a little loose, so we may have to take a look at that before we maiden it. I can't really tell. I guess it's in there. It's definitely tight in there. So there's your thrust tube. Motor is going to sit right up in here. Here's the landing gear doors. Okay, so that's cool. I'm assuming I'm going to have to drill this out. And there is going to be some assembly on this guy. So here, I'm just going to actually leave this here for now. Alright, so this all looks really good. All the servos are installed. If you want to come in and take a look right in the front there, all the servos are installed for the landing gear. It's got nice
fuel tank.
Yeah, we got the fuel tanks installed. Okay, so let's just put this on the couch right here. And then we'll go to the front side of the fuselage. There is going to be some assembly on this thing, but most of it is already installed. And here's you can see in the front here. So if you come in here, you can see the gear is all installed up there. The gear is all installed. That's the UAT. Came pre-installed. I may add some different stuff to this. I don't know. They even installed the fuel dot here. You can see. So the fuel dot is in there, and the fuel dot is right here. So they've already pre-installed. That's great, man, that they did that. So they pre-installed the fuel dot. Gears in. Man, everything looks really good. I was a little worried when I saw that box. You can get an idea of how big she'll be. Okay, now there's a bunch of other stuff in here. What else do we got?
Did you order wing bags?
Yeah. Pilot RC was great to deal with. And actually, I got this from Chief, but then it came from a place, and it was strange. It's called Tail Slide Aviation. They were great. So they were really good to deal with. Again, I got all of this pre-installed. The gas tank, the gear, all of that. And that was an extra $1,000 to get all of that done. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this is going to be some bits we have to glue on. I have no idea where those go yet. So this is just... oh, this might be landing gear bay doors, or the inner wheel well.
Right.
So we'll see what that is later. Let's see. Well, let's take the wings out. The wings on this thing look really good. Okay. Let's see how this all looks. Okay. I want to say this is an 83 or 86 inch wing. I forget the exact spec of it. But I think this is going to be an 86, I think, actually.
Is this a 2.2?
It's 2.2 meters.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Okay.
All right.
This is really beautiful. Oof. If you look at the finish on this thing, they did all the lights pre-installed. That was the extra $1,000. All the servo arms, all pre-installed. That again was if you paid for it, you could get just the airframe, and that was $30 or $29.95, and then the extra $1,000 is you get all of these connectors, the gear installed, all of the servos installed, the lighting installed. That was all extra. But look at how beautiful the job they did on this. I mean, this thing, it's absolutely beautiful. The job that is done on this. It's painted a really cool. I thought it was just black. I thought it was actually black, but I'm fairly pleased. This is the exact color of our truck.
Yeah, it's a dark gray.
It's the same color. It's a dark gray, and it is absolutely beautiful. So let's see what else we got in here. Wing. And it's packaged really good, so I'm not bitching about the packaging. It's like they didn't tell the freight.
It didn't say fragile on it.
Yeah, it didn't say fragile or anything, and you know you would figure they would want to do that. But this, I think, actually worked out. I don't think I'm going to have to send this back or call them and bitch at all. I think it's just perfect. Okay, here's the other wing. Sorry, we're doing this in the living room because we really had nowhere else to do it.
We haven't painted yet.
Here's the other wing.
Man, that
There's
looks
your
good.
wing lights, landing lights. Look at the paint on this thing. I mean, look at the finish and fit. Look at the aileron at full deflection. Look at the aileron, how nice. There's no gap. I mean, that is absolutely wonderful. That's not moving. That's pretty nice. Okay, so there's your fit and finish. There's the connectors pre-installed.
Yep.
Okay, so we'll put this guy here. And we'll put this guy. Now I ordered these extra. There's more in there, but I figure I'll get rid of this. This is just the wing bags. So I ordered that extra. That came with the extra $1,000 with the wing bags. Let's see what we got here. This may be one of the elevators. Yeah, elevator. Like I said, they packaged this really good, but there was a fork through the box. Couldn't believe it. Oh man, this is nice. Oh, here, and then you'll see the servos I got in there. So there's my servo for the rudder. I mean, look at the finish on that. I mean, it is just beautiful. And God, all of the surfaces, I think those are live hinges in there. There's no actual pins in there. I think those are live hinges. Beautiful, really beautiful. Okay, let's see what else we got. Let's say this is the other elevator. Yep, other elevator. Same thing, very nice. I mean, it's perfect.
Yeah.
I expected some, actually didn't think it was going to be, and this is all paint.
Yeah, the
This
paint is amazing.
This is not decals.
No.
This is actually painted.
It feels like
It's
a car.
just- yeah, it's just beautiful. Okay, so we'll put the elevators down there for now. This is a bag. I'm sure we're going to have some stuff to do. Well, they give you something to test the CG with. That's pretty cool. I'm sure there's some lighting controllers in here, navigation lights. There's probably all the little bits I'm going to need. There's probably the retract controller here, the light controller here. So that's your little bag of parts. I can't believe that I have this. This thing is really beautiful. I mean, it's really done well. It took about 4.5 months to get. From the time I ordered it till the time now, it's about 4.5 months. So it's not something you're going to order and get right away. Oh, these are awesome. Okay, I was wondering where these were. These are the two little fins that go underneath the back of the it's like an F-16.
Huh.
So that's cool. I'm just going to keep these wrapped up. These down here, and then let's see, what else do we got here? What is this? Sorry, there's a lot of shit here. Okay, so...
Oh, Canopy.
Oh, yep, that's the Canopy. God, all this stuff looks so good. So yeah, this is the Canopy. It's funny when you see them online, they look big, but then when you're standing next to it, it really looks big.
Yeah, I was gonna say it still looks huge.
This is a really big airplane. There's your Canopy.
Yep.
Done really pretty good. Little bit of glue right there. But, I mean, honestly, it's done better than I could do. I always get glue all over here, so that's good. Okay, Canopy. These are our wing tubes, so this is going to be your main wing tube. This is going to be the rudder. I mean the elevators. Now the elevators are made to come off, so this thing will be able to transport really easy. Okay, and then what else? That's it. They just put this. Yeah. All right, so that's the unboxing. Stay tuned. We'll be building this thing up pretty quick. We've already got the engine. The engine is in the other room. That's a 140. We're using a Sweewin 140 in this. It was the biggest that was recommended for it, so I figured I'd go with the most power. But so far, it looks absolutely beautiful, and I'm really happy that the box didn't look good. But I'm happy the box didn't. So all right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the builds coming up.